Understanding on and off, a common English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where learning English is both fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, on and off. You might have heard it often, but do you know what it actually means? Stay tuned as we explore this phrase in various contexts and help you get a firm grip on it. Before we understand the idiomatic use, let's break down the words on and off. In the most literal sense, on and off are opposites. On indicates that something is in operation or in a position to function, while off means not in operation or inactive. Think of a light switch. You turn it on to make the light work and off to stop it from working. As an idiom, on and off is used to describe something that happens intermittently. That is, it starts and stops over a period of time, rather than happening continuously. For example, if you've been learning English on and off for a few years, it means you have not been studying consistently but in irregular intervals. Let's see how to use on and off in sentences. I've been going to the gym on and off for about 2 years. She's been working on her novel on and off, sometimes taking weeks away from writing. The couple had been dating on and off before they finally got engaged. Notice how in every case, on and off indicates a lack of consistency. Interestingly, on and off can be used across various contexts. It's common in discussing relationships, hobbies, work, study, and more. The key aspect to understand is the non-continuous nature of the action or situation being described. There are several phrases similar to on and off that can enrich your English vocabulary. Phrases like from time to time, every now and then, and off and on, which is a direct reversal of on and off, carry similar meanings and are often used interchangeably. That's a wrap on our discussion about on and off. We hope this video clarifies how and when to use this phrase, so you can start using it correctly in your everyday conversations. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to scroll back if you need to review any part of this lesson. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.